What's up, Broke Ass Nation? Today we're going to be installing my new GReddy full 3-inch system on my 2018 Ford Fiesta since we finally got it out of the garage. So this tire is a tire I've been running at the drag strip. It's a 225/50/15 and we're going over to a 235/40/17 with these. Same compound, 100 treadwear rating. They're Toyo R888Rs. It's a competition grade tire. The all seasons I was running are not getting any traction through first and second gear, so I'm hoping that with a little bit bigger, wider tire, I'll get some better traction. Maybe even get some autocross runs in with the rest of Broke Ass Nation this year, so we'll see. Yeah, so we're going to be doing new brakes, and I'm going to have to adjust the coilovers. I'm not going to be as low as I was last year, which I'm not upset about because I was dragging on shit. Hopefully I'll be up enough this year where the brace bars and the rest of the suspension won't be touching everything I come across, like solo cups.
Say it again.
Later. I'll fuck you, Andrew. I will fuck you all day.
God damn it. You say funny things when the camera's off, you fucker.
Well, it's not funny, it's true.
That's what makes it even funnier. Alright, so tell us what happened here.
I was kind of hoping to get it out in one piece, but obviously had to cut it. Generic race resonator. You can see there's some blow-by. Apparently, exhaust shop didn't do as good a job as we were hoping for, but shouldn't have that issue on the new GReddy. We're going from a 2.5-inch system to a full 3, so hopefully it sounds better, runs a little bit better, and hopefully quieter.
Ew, boo.
Yay. I'm getting old, so sound is everything to me. Old one, hollow. New one, packed.
Holy shit.
Damn. Yeah, that's packed. That's packed. So both of those are empty.
Tell me more about how tight it is.
Yeah, so 3-inch exhaust on Ford Fiesta is like no wiggle room. Like, I can't even get my fingers beside it in the car. So,
Time to rattle.
yeah. I don't think it should with the wrap and everything. And I'm running urethane grommets, so it shouldn't, but, you know, that's how life is here at Broke Ass Garage. So, we'll just do what we can and see what we get and go from there.
What are you doing?
Now I'm at the process of trying to adjust these coilovers. Realistically, this is not the right way to do this, but I'm lazy, and I think this will work better.
Do we ever do things the right way?
For legal reasons, I'm going to tell you yes. But in all honesty, this is Broke-Ass Motorsports, so we don't do anything the way it's supposed to be done. As long as it gets done and it works, where was the problem? So I'm adjusting these coilovers. I'm going to clean these feet up so I can make the adjustments. I'm going to bring the back of the car up about 1 inch. If Andrew wants, he could take you over to the other side. I have a tire on, but I need to make the adjustment to the coilovers. You can see that the new tires are a little bit thicker. So with a little bit of time and a little bit of cleaning, these should be ready to go.
He also got his new back brakes on.
Yes, I did.
What did he learn?
I have never had to deal with screw style rear calipers before, so that was a learning curve, because I look like a full-blown jackass trying to press those back in. And that does not work, but we did find out the Nissan 240 brake tool and the Ford Fiesta brake tool are almost the same.
Yes. Where is that? Yes. Custom made right there, boys. See them welds? Yeah. I did. I done did that myself.
Don't be proud, get me a brush. God damn it. I'm tired and I want to go home.
After a very long day's work, the majestic Jake is sleeping. Good night. Dreaming about butterflies. Oh.
Oh, what the fuck? All I can taste that fucking gum. Help me out of this chair.
Blood crack everywhere. You gotta blur that.
Oh my god.
Because you fell asleep right after you stuck it in your mouth.
Oh. Do you normally fall asleep right after you stick it in your mouth? Oh, focus, Ford.
Oh, follow the dirt. And there we go. I can't believe that worked.
Me neither. Alright, so he finally got done with his car.
Yeah, got the coilovers adjusted. Tires are on. They don't rub, but they're real close. It's able to hold me and Matt. We took it down the road. Very, very, very little rubbing. So I'm pretty happy with that. The exhaust is on. Brace bars are all back in place. New brakes all the way around. Heat wrap is smoking a little bit, but hopefully that'll go away shortly.
Alright, so you happy with it then?
Yeah, it's a little quieter than I expected. I mean, it's got a nice tone to it, so hopefully it'll be alright.
All the turbo noises.
Yeah, that's what everybody keeps telling me.
Alright, well, I know this video was a little short, guys, but we just wanted to give you a little update on what Jake was up to. So, till next time, keep off those jack stands.
And stay broke, folks.
On behalf of all of us here at Broke-Ass Motorsports Ohio, we'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our video, please let us know by leaving a like or comment on our video. If you're new and would like to stay up to date on things, please subscribe or follow us on our social medias. The links to those will be in the description down below.